Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Cooking time. Today we are going to cook semolina pudding. So we take 1 cup of semolina. We cook it in a low flame. Take sugar as your taste, but I take 1 cup sugar and pour while 1 cup. Mix well. Then put a sugar. Mix well in a medium flame. Pour some water in it and mix well. I take 1.5 cup of water. Then mix well and put a cap. After open a cap, this is looking. I pour some chocolate on it. Ready your semolina pudding. Yummy and delicious semolina pudding. I pour it on a dark chocolate. You take dairy milk, etc. chocolates. Yummy and delicious. If you like my video, please like, share, subscribe for more. If you try, so tell me in comment section how does it taste. Samra food secrets.